No way. Who's responsible for this Mickey Mouse? This is crazy, man.
My repeat customer was totally fed up with the roots invading his main sewer pipe. Every 3 months, he'd call us for either a snake or hydrojetting. I had to explain to him that using high-pressure hydrojetting on those old clay pipes can be risky. They're fragile and could easily collapse under that pressure. I also pointed out that every time we cleaned out the roots, they just came back stronger and thicker. This mess was really the result of not addressing the issue sooner. Right now, he was facing a serious blockage with roots packed tightly inside the pipe. It was getting ridiculous. So, I suggested we consider a more permanent solution. Trenchless technology could replace the pipe without all the digging. It's a smarter way to tackle the problem. Stick around and join me on this journey. Maybe one day, you'll need to tackle those pesky roots in your own house. You'll be ready. Just look at these roots. It's insane. They're all pointing toward the pipe, thriving off it like it's their personal buffet. It's a wild sight, and you can really see how they've taken over. These roots are determined to survive, and that's exactly why we need to tackle this issue head on.
Oh, shit. Shit, like a tree kid. Huh? Oh, shit.
There's not a solid spot left in this pipe. It's completely filled and compacted with roots. This is all your fault, just so you know. Look at those massive roots lurking inside. It's like a perfect buffet for them. They're thriving in there, and it's time to put an end to their feast.
Jesus Christ. Oh, completely full.
Completely full, no?
Yeah. No space for water.
How the hell this thing was draining?
I don't know.
Guys, check this out. The roots have actually shaped around this pipe. It's insane. I can't stress enough how important it is to get a camera inspection when buying a house. Always make sure you're the one hiring the camera service. If you need help, just call us. We're here to help.
Wow. Look at it.
Nature is something else, right? We live among them, so we've got to learn how to coexist. I often compare roots to ants. It's a similar analogy. When an ant finds a sweet spot, it brings all its friends along. Well, when a root finds moisture in a pipe, it does the same thing, inviting all its buddies to come and thrive. Before you know it, you've got a whole colony of roots feasting on your plumbing. We're going to open up another hole where the pipe exits the house and dig one more hole about 40 feet away, where the clay pipe ends. In this area, we'll manually replace it with ABS pipe because it's too shallow for pipe bursting. After this point, we can use to pull the new pipe in since it's gradually sloping down. It's going to work out perfectly. We're now digging the other hole where the old clay pipe ends and connects to the PVC pipe. Once this replacement is done, the customer will be all set since the main line is fully replaced and should have no more issues down the road. Once we found the existing clay pipe, we decided to call it a day. We'll be back tomorrow to pull in the new pipe and reconnect everything so it's ready for use. It's going to be a big day ahead of us.
Something 4-inch tread pack, la jinka, the tread, lot 90, 1, 2, 3 rollers for the connection, and over there only 145, 122, 2 couplings, and the glue transition, that's it.
It's the next day, and we're at the supply house stocking up on all the plumbing goodies we need. Huge shout out to my buddy Canelo. This guy is the Canelo Alvarez of plumbing. Seriously, he's undefeated when it comes to tackling any challenge. The crew is here, and we're setting up the equipment for pipe bursting. I think this is the most important tool. Even though the pipes come factory smooth, we need to shave them down to ensure they're 100% symmetrical before we fuse them together. We use this heat plate that heats the pipes from both sides for about 30 seconds. After that, we pull them out, push the two pipes together, and lock them in place to cure for about 20 minutes. This way, they cool naturally, and we avoid any disconnections later on. It's all about getting that perfect bond. Now, we're going to insert the cable through the old clay pipe and pull it out from the other side to attach it to the hydraulic pump. This is a key step in the process, and once we've got it connected, we'll be all set to start the pipe bursting. We're setting up the hydraulic pump to pull the new pipe through the old one, and let me tell you, it's a phenomenal process. It's one of the best ways to replace pipes without tearing up everything around them. This is a crucial step. He's setting up a wall barrier between the dirt and the pump. The hydraulic pump is going to pull with an extreme amount of force, and we definitely don't want it to cave in the dirt. That's why it's important to protect this area properly. This is the pump, and it pulls around 10,000 psi. That's some serious power. With this kind of force, the hydraulic machine will break through any kind of pipe, and in this situation, we're dealing with clay. It's designed to tackle even the toughest materials, making our job much easier and more efficient. Since it's already cooled down, it's ready to be inserted inside the old pipe.
Careful the hose.
Look at how long and flexible this new pipe is. It's designed to navigate through tight spaces and bends easily, making installation a breeze. Plus, its durable material ensures it can handle pressure and last for years to come. We're all set to make this connection and get everything up and running smoothly.
Go, 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 go. Be careful the window.
This is the bullet head. It attaches to the new pipe with inner threads, a specialized tool that smoothly bores through existing pipe. As it moves along, it pushes aside soil and debris, making way for a new pipeline without all the digging mess. This trenchless boosting method means less disruption on the surface, quicker installation, and lower costs, making it a smart choice for upgrading old infrastructure. Right now, he's going to attach the cable to the new pipe and hydraulically pull it in while breaking apart the old pipe. This remote control operates the pump to pull the new pipe in. Look how satisfying it is as it breaks through the old pipe.
Entro. The bullet. Simón, cachatón.
The professor.
Aquí. No.
Finally, the pipe reached its destination, and now we're going to disconnect the pump and remove the equipment from the hole. Within 20 minutes, we pulled the pipe in, and the team carefully unhooks the pump, ensuring everything is secure. As they clear the area, it's satisfying to see the project coming together. Soon, the site will be restored, and the new pipeline will be ready to serve its purpose. We are installing a cleanout by the exit of the foundation for access under the house and out to the main line, where it drains into the city sewer line. This setup will make it easier to maintain and service the plumbing system, ensuring efficient drainage and preventing potential blockages in the future. Guys, this is my favorite coupling to use. It's so much stronger than the regular Francos, featuring a metal housing and 4 bands, each capable of holding 60 pounds of force. In contrast, the regular ones only have 2 bands and lack a metal shield. This extra strength and durability make all the difference in ensuring a reliable connection.
Yeah, I know. No camao. No sigue, Gregorio, no worry.
I always put root killer around the pipe before I backfill, especially when there are lots of roots nearby. My hypothesis is that it might help support the pipe and act as a rooter guard. It's a proactive way to prevent future issues and ensure the pipe stays safe. It's amazing how a little extra care can make a big difference. Finally, we're all done with the plumbing, and now it's time to lay out the concrete and call it a day. After completing the installation and ensuring everything is in place, we can move on to finishing touches. A big thank you to Rooter Guard for letting me film this process. If you need any plumbing and rooter work in the Los Angeles area, give us a call at 800-399-7270. It's a satisfying end to a productive day. While I was working on the concrete, I invited the customer to sign it before it cured, and they gladly wrote their names. This created a beautiful memory that their family will cherish for years to come. That's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'm truly passionate about plumbing and creating these videos. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a like and subscribe. We're excited to celebrate with the crew for another successful project completed.